Knowledge makes a man unfit to be a slave. In order for us to successfully work towards a better future, we have to know what is the fundamental problem in our society. What is the cause of our enslavement? Below in the description of this video, there are 3 very important references everyone should know. Number 1. Proof that Canada is a registered corporation. Number 2. Canada, a country without a constitution. And number 3. Types of government. These 3 references will help you understand what we are fighting against and what we are fighting for here at constitutionalconventions.ca. Nothing will ever change if we do not make the change ourselves. Only we, the people, can ensure we have a better future. If we stand together in agreement, the next logical step is a sovereign constitution. Now keep in mind, it is true US does have a constitution, but it was hijacked a long time ago. Like many other countries, people have been put to sleep while the elites slowly took over our society. We have now started to gather signatures in all provinces for the constitution written by the people. Please take the time to read the sovereign constitution, and if you agree with it, sign the affirmation. The more signatures we have, the more power this document has. Although we do not need the majority of the population to accept a new constitution. In history, this has been achieved with a small percentage of the voting population. We have been complaining and protesting for far too long. Now is the time to take the next step. Now is the time to take real action. For more information, please go to constitutionalconventions.ca.